system using just a few common items that you can find laying around. To make this model, you're going to need a bottle, an X-Acto knife, 2 rubber bands,
1 straw,
2 balloons, and some scissors.
You also need tape, Play-Doh, or clay to help seal off the opening of the bottle.
The first step to do, which I've already done, is to cut the bottom part off of the bottle. Once you have the bottle cut, you're going to want to take your scissors and balloon and cut the balloon right there at the end of the tube where it starts to get a little bit wider, and then you can just throw this part away. Now you're going to want to take the bottom part of that balloon and put it over the bottom part of the bottle. Once you have the balloon on, you're going to want to knock out any dents that you may have caused in the bottle. And then you're going to want to put a rubber band right here to try to help hold that balloon on once the students or you are using this, just so it doesn't come off as easy. So just any rubber band that will tightly fit around there, not too tight because you don't want it to bend. You still want it to be circular. So far what we have represented here is the bottle is going to represent the rib cage or the skeletal system, and then this is going to be your diaphragm. Now to work on the actual lung part, you're going to need your lung and trachea.
Here you're going to want to insert the straw into the balloon. You don't want to insert it too far down. Make the straw about halfway down the balloon, and then you're going to tie it off with a rubber band.
You want to make sure that you don't put your rubber band on too tight. If you collapse that straw, the air will not be able to get into your balloon and the model will not work properly. Once you have your lung finished, you're going to need to insert it in the bottle. So squeeze the air out and then drop it into the bottle. Now you're going to want to have the rubber band about at this point on the bottle. So you're going to need to use Play-Doh or tape or clay to help hold this here, but to also seal off this opening. You need to make sure that the opening of the bottle is sealed, but you do not squish the straw. That way the air can reach the balloon for the model to work. So now that we have our model, you should be able to pull on the diaphragm and the lung expand and the air move down the tube. Okay. Now when I pull down on the diaphragm, you will see the balloon expand. I breathe out. You can see it deflate. And breathe out. All right, thanks for watching.